Hi everyone, this is Mr. Kerr here. What I wanted to do was quickly show you how our moon journals are going to work, how you are going to shade in the visible part of the moon that you're observing in your moon journal. So let me show you here, starting with March 13th, slide number 3 right now is blank. And when you looked at the moon, if you looked at the moon March 13th, it actually kind of looked like this. It probably couldn't even find it in the sky if you looked for it. It's called a new moon, and none of the moon is being particularly lit up. So let's see here. Let's go to the 14th here to really get started showing what you would sketch in to show what visible part of the moon we could have seen. And this, of course, was just Sunday, yesterday. So let's see here. I'm going to use something called Polyline. I'm clicking on what normally just looks like line, and I'm clicking select line and clicking Polyline. This for us in this slideshow is going to work better than anything else, better than just a regular line, and better than a scribble. And I'll tell you why. Polyline, once I click it, it's going to give me this cross, this like addition sign. And I'm going to click once wherever I want to start, which is going to be a little bit over here. That's where kind of the visible light on the moon starts. I'm going to click once and look, clicking. And I'm going to draw straight lines and click whenever I want to kind of change directions. Click. You can see just a tiny bit of the moon was visible here on March 14th. And I'm just going to shade that in like that. And then I'm just going to fill it in kind of like I'm making, I'm just kind of making something of a closed shape here. Haha! What's cool about using this polyline feature is it automatically shades in for you. And I can keep it that kind of light gray color, or I can even, if I want to make it stand out, this white color. Either way works fine. And when I click away, there it is. Just a tiny bit of the moon is visible. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing for the moon phase from March 15th. And this is Monday. This is when I'm making the video. There's the window right there. Actually, you can just see a reflection, but that's the window, trust me. If we look out the window, if you get outside, the moon might look a tiny bit more visible. Something like this. Again, I'm clicking, kind of moving and clicking, moving and clicking. Now I'm trying to follow this end of this back end here of the moon to kind of like color it all in. Yes, okay. And now I'm going to color that in white. All right, so that does it, friends. This is where I'm going to leave the moon journal for you. Ooh, look at that, March 14th and March 15th. Okay, cool. So I'm going to leave it for you guys to continue this great work of filling in your moon journal. Look at all the days ahead that you have to show off what the moon looks like and how it changes. You're going to notice so many great scientific things. That's all for now. Enjoy.